Hey peeps, hope everyone is having a beautiful weekend. I've been working on something for the past month and couldn't sleep last night and been up since about 4 o'clock just mapping this out, and that is about running an online workshop. So I've done workshops in the past where physically in a group and we can work on your business together, share a bit of content on what's relevant at the time, and then work on your business in a workshop environment. Started thinking about, why can't we do that online? Why can't we make that a thing? Why can't online workshops, conferences be online? So let's have a crack at it. So like I said before, I've been absolutely just data dumping everything down. I'll actually take a quick look, quick sneak peek. Maybe you can see that. Just working on it now. In particular, pivot plan for businesses, how to not only survive but thrive in this current economy. Why, when and why to play defense and offense in your business. What most businesses are doing, and what the ones that I know that are smashing goals are doing, and why your marketing, your message, and delivery needs to change, because the normal that we think we're going back to is gone. There is no more normal. There's going to be a new normal. And the ones that understand that and can take advantage of those opportunities are going to be the ones that are going to thrive moving forward and understand where these opportunities are. So I'll share some more information in the coming week, but we're going to be doing this. Going to be doing a live online workshop, and very different from webinar. So I'm not just going to be talking to you. We're going to be talking together. Share, like I say, share a ton of content that I've got right here, right now, but work with you on your business and taking your business to the next level, and understand where the opportunities are going to lie in the upcoming months and years ahead. So have a fantastic weekend, stay cool, and see you on the interwebs. Bye-bye.